Nestled under mature oaks on the 13th fairway of Greenwood Country Club, this inviting, all-brick home blends easy living with timeless comfort. Imagine mornings with coffee on your expansive deck overlooking the peaceful backyard. Designed for downsizing or a relaxed lifestyle, the first floor primary suite offers a spacious, zero-entry shower. With 3 bedrooms and 3.5 baths, this home ensures comfort for guests. HOA maintenance gives you freedom to explore Uptown Greenwood, Lake Greenwood, and Lander University nearby. Discover privacy, quality, and location, all in one rare opportunity. Schedule your private showing today.